Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. If you've not hit the subscribe button yet, do hit the subscribe button, share, comment, or ask questions, and I'll get back to you. In our previous lessons, we learned about streaming, various softwares and hardwares needed, and we're introduced finally to OBS. Today we'll be looking at adding sources in OBS. But as I said, if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that whenever we release any video, you'll be notified. Also, we are on Facebook. You can go and follow Flam Media on Facebook. It is Flam Media on Facebook. Just follow, like, and share. Flam Media is into videography, photography, voiceovers, jingles. Flam Media is as well into software development, web design and development, database management, virtualization. Therefore, should you need any of these services, you can call Flam Media on 0278 55 7502 or 05999 57264. All these numbers are on WhatsApp and Telegram as well. So hit them, lay your request, and Flam Media will answer you. So today we will continue our studies by adding sources to OBS. Since we are having our OBS open, in the sources column, for us to add anything to our OBS, we need to add through the source doc. So by hitting the plus sign down there, you could see that when you put it on, it will write add source, which means you want to add a source. Now the source could be a camera, could be an image, could be a screen capture, could be anything you want to add for your broadcast. So for instance, I'm going to add a cam or a camera to my source. Therefore, I hit the plus sign and then hit the video capture device. Now, when I hit the video capture device, it gives me access to naming my camera. Okay. So I will name this camera Cam 1. All right. So Cam 1. Now, since I have various cameras connected to the phone, to the machine, I need to select which camera I would use. Now, I would use the video captured USB 3.0, which is a HD cam. And voila. In the previous lessons, if you could remember, we set these two screens. One is the preview scene and then the other is the program scene. Let me go back a little. The preview scene is what you are seeing and your audience are not seeing. With the program scene, that is what your audience are seeing. So until you put it there or you transit to the program scene, your audience are not seeing. Okay. In actual sense, this is a camcorder I am using. So I have added the camcorder to it. Okay. Now, because it is in the scene, a preview scene, which means my audience are not seeing it yet until I transit to it. So currently now, if I am to go live with this OBS, my audience are going to see. Okay, so this is adding a camera source. I have added a camera source. Now I'm going to add a ticker background. So I come to add source, color source. This allows me to add color or a background color to anything I have. So I name it ticker BG. The BG simply means background. Okay, so I choose the color for which I want to use. I would like to use this. And then I resize it to fit my work. Now I hold on the shift key and then click and drag so that I will have it the way I'm having it. If you don't hold down the shift key, it will squeeze it all around. So I will hold on the shift key and then drag it. Now all this is adding sources. Okay. So in the first place, I added a camera source or a video capture device source. I added a color source, which is going to be my ticker background. And then I'm going to add a text source. Okay, text source. Text source allows me to input text into whatever I am doing. So let's say I add a text source. If I want to add a text source, this is how it's done. So I name it ticker. I would name it ticker. Now it gives me these properties for the ticker or for the text. So I type in my text here. So let's say, welcome to Flam Media Online School. For more information, please call or WhatsApp 05999 57264 or 0278557502. So then I space it a little. So now you can select the font types here. Select font. So you have your various fonts here to work with. You can choose any of the fonts which suits you. I would prefer to go by the Arial. Now note this. Please don't don't change the font size in your properties here. Please, when you change it and you go to OBS, it will become blur. Therefore, don't change the size of your font here. You can choose to style your font into bold, italic, bold, whatever it is, but I will leave it at the regular. If you want to underline, you can underline. If you want to strike through, you can strike through, but I don't want to do that. Just click OK. Then if you want to change the font color, that too you can do it. It can take effect, but I would like to maintain my white font. But basically, this is how to change your font color. Okay, so you click OK and OK, and your font is added. If you want to resize it, you would have to squeeze it here. Now you resize it here. Okay, so you resize, to suit your work. So position it well. Now, even as I'm doing this, my audience will not be seeing because it's not showing on their screen. When I transit, it shows. But look at this. It has written, "Welcome to Flam Media Online School. For more information, please call W." Now, the text I've input is longer and more than the screen resolution set. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a scroll effect or scroll filter to it so that it will be able to be moving around and repeating itself or loop in a loop form. Okay, so we add a scroll filter to the text. So I just click on the filter, and then the filter shows, the filter dialog box shows. I click on add. You would see scroll. We have the vertical scroll and we have the horizontal scroll. When I increase the vertical scroll, it goes up and down. From down to up, sorry. When I decrease it, from up to down, okay? But this is not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in the horizontal scroll so that it will move horizontally. So immediately I apply that or I increase that, you could see that it has started moving the scroll. All right. So this is adding text or adding source, correctly adding source. So I've been able to add a camera source. I've been able to add a text source. I've been able to add a color background or a color source, and I've been able to add effect or filter to the text for it to be moving. So it will become like an announcement bar where we call it ticker. In multimedia, we call it ticker. So my ticker begins to move around. If you have any question, you can post it on the comment section. Please like, share, and then comment on our page or on our channel. On Facebook, we are Flam Media. The Flam Media is in capital letters. And then you see our logo there. So let's come back to class. This is adding sources. There are a lot of sources which we can add. As we go ahead, we'll be looking at them individually. If you are a gamer and you are playing a game, you can add a game capture where your game is captured and then you stream it. You have the NDI source, we have the teleport, we have the video capture which we've done today, Windows capture, where you have a specific window you want us to capture or you want to be captured for example, maybe the tutorial I'm doing, I want to only capture the OBS screen. That is a window capture. So I'm telling OBS to capture that particular window, a specific window among the lot I have opened or I'm running. Okay, we have the browser source which we'll be talking about later. So basically, this is how we add sources. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that notification will be given to you whenever we update. And then don't forget to like and share, comment, ask your questions. This training is brought to you by Flam Media. They are sponsoring everything. It is free of charge as a social responsibility. So if you need streaming services, you need multimedia stuff like voiceovers, recordings, you need jingles, you need video issues and then audio issues, photography, just call Flam Media. And You would love the work they will do for you. Thank you very much. God richly bless you. Till we meet again, Flam Media, excellence is our goal.